our dreams we always fight, 'cause we never worked it out. It just kinda slipped through our hands. And I never really said that you.
Hi guys, so I'm just gonna do like a little vlog today. Like me and my family gonna go out to eat a dinner, and yeah, it's just gonna be like a little vlog kind of situation. And I unpacked like some stuff yesterday, and yeah, I'm gonna put that in the video as well because it's Ukrainian brand and I love the stuff that I got.
Understand. It was so exhausting, so I lost it. Had to make it stop.
Quiet because I'm concentrating. Alright, so wow, that's cute. So it came so there's like a 2 pieces in this box. So like it came like a, you know, like a 2 like a cute like a bags, you know. So let me just open this up and see real quick. Okay. Okay, so this is the pants. So they kind of look, they do look oversized. Okay, let me show it to you. That's the brand name right here. And yeah, in hryvnia it's kind of expensive, but like in dollar it's not that bad. But okay, so they look like this, kind of a little bit oversized. Okay, I'm gonna try it on later, of course. Okay, it's cute. I mean, I like the material. It's so warm, like I can tell it is warm, and I love like inside this like a little cute design, and yeah, it's really nice. Like goes like this, and I guess like you can regulate right here, like on your waistline, like how like would you like it. But let me see, let me try it on later. And this is I'm excited for this. It's like a jacket, and this one I feel like you can just wear this jacket and it's all, like you don't need anything like you know, like some, yeah, again it says KATSURINA, and you don't need any like outerwear, like, you know, like okay. All right, so it has like a pocket right here inside, and that's how it opens up. Yeah, it seems like really warm, and that's the way it looks like. Yeah, really oversized. I hope I'm not going to drown in this, but let's see. I'm going to wear it in a little bit, so yeah, let me just see how it's going to look. Give me 1 second. Hi guys, so I just tried these pants on. Yeah, it kind of like you know, huge, but you know, for Ukraine I get it. It's like it's gonna work really well because it's super cold over there, and like it's just kind of like, it looks a little bit funny, you know, but it's really comfy, you know, like. And yeah, they are actually super oversized, but you can like regulate on like your waist right here, like of how like you want it to be. Like you can like push it, like if you want it like more like to be like this, and you can just like regulate like of how much you want it to push it down. And it has pockets also right here, so cute, right here too. And yeah, so that's how it looks. Of course you need like some boots, not like my slides like I'm wearing right now. And let me just try it on together with the, you know, the sweater as well. So yeah, I mean, I actually like it. I mean, it's really comfortable so far, and I love the colors, so yeah. Alright guys, so I just tried it out together with this like a jacket on top. Yeah, it looks kind of actually really oversized, like so roomy, but I mean, it's kind of comfy. Honestly, I feel like if it's really cold outside and you're not feeling like, you know, like putting on fashion, you know, and like just to show off or something, and you just want to feel comfortable, this is what it is. Like, that's what you go for. And I mean, yeah, I like it. And you can also regulate like your sleeves right here, and you can also like zip up, you know, but I feel like that's kind of looking too much right now. And yeah, there's also like a pockets, not over here, but like inside pockets. And yeah, like I said, I just need like a different like a boots, you know, like a winter boots. And you know what, I only missing one accessory that I feel like would go really well. Give me 1 second. Alright, so I feel like this accessory, it like completes the look, you know, and I feel like if I would be in Ukraine, I mean, that's what I would go for. And yeah, I mean, I kind of like it together overall. Yeah, it's kind of too oversized. I did not expect that, but I mean, I like it. Like, I like the vibe. Yeah. Just let me know what you think about this. Like, would you wear it? Like, where would you wear it? Like, do you like this brand? Like, have you heard of it? And yeah, just comment down below what you think. Yeah, but this is my look for today.
What is this?
Apricot. Oh, so this is like an apricot sauce. Wow. Just say I would cook pasta with it.
No, upstairs.
Yalla.
I'm really glad.
Okay, so we just got to the restaurant. It calls the Italy, and that's how nice. And we're just gonna have some dinner with my family, and yeah, it's like Friday night. So yeah, we already ordered our stuff. This is the first thing that got here. The meatballs. You can show the meatballs. And like we also got like some dessert because they have like their stores, like Italian stuff, and like yeah, we're just gonna try it at home. Okay, just thank you. Thank you. So yeah, our food is coming, so we're just gonna keep working on it.
Anything else I could bring you? That's good. Okay, enjoy.
Alright guys, so we just got home right now and it's already 9 a.m. Kind of feel tired. I really love the spot that we went to, this Italian restaurant. It was really nice inside and I love the store. It was my first time there and like I'm really excited. Like I really like the food that we got and like the pizza. Overall it was everything's good and like the bread of the pizza I really like. It's just like usually I go like with the prosciutto kind of pizza and like mozzarella kind of cheese and yeah, I'm kind of feeling sick a little bit, but yeah, like I really love the way it turns out today. And the only thing I'm gonna show it to that I'm so excited to try tomorrow, it's with our morning coffee. It's this dessert that we got from there, from the store. I want to show it to you really quick. Guys, so that's how it looks like. That the one was the coconut and the other one like that I got it like with some cream or something, but it looks so good, like Italy. And yeah, that's our breakfast for tomorrow, was the coffee. Alright guys, so that's a wrap up for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and thank you for your support on my channel. It warms my heart and I'll see you in the next one. Just let me know what you like from this video, if you have any comments or something. If you like the brand that I reviewed, about Ukrainian brand, like about that tracksuit, if you have any questions or if you wanna just like leave comment down below about anything you like. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.